For this piece of the capstone, I decided to focus on extreme storms and how they affect coastal towns like Freeport, Maine. Extreme storms have been increasing over the past few years in Maine, totaling 3 since 2017 alone, and they're only going to become more frequent. In 2017, Freeport was hit by a bomb cyclone, a drastic drop in pressure that causes strong winds brought on by a tropical storm Philippe. Freeport sits along the Harrisquet River, which is connected to both Casco and Penobscot Bays. Tropical Storm Philippe provides a perfect example of what Maine's future looks like. As warm air from Philippe moved toward a cold front in Maine, the warm air's moisture caused the cold front to intensify and pressure to drop. Maine is also susceptible to winter storms, as the Northeast faces, quote, frequent storms and heavier than normal snowfalls related to blocking of the wintertime circulation in the Pacific sector of the Northern Hemisphere. With this combination of warm air from tropical storms and cool air from winter storms, it is more than likely that these bomb cyclones will increase in frequency and danger. In terms of environmental change, Maine's climate is about to become severely unstable. Small towns rely on the tourism industry for income, but extreme storms like the bomb cyclone in 2017 can destroy towns like Freeport and make them unappealing to tourists. Not only is their environment being literally uprooted, their economy is too, making life even more difficult for locals. At this point in time, Maine's residents need to protect themselves and their homes, but the point of extreme storms needs to be tackled on a global level. There is nothing that one state as a whole can do to tackle the causes behind extreme storms, and it would require a concerted effort on all of the world's parts.